Sorry? Where'd he go? And here we see a baby monkey who just bought the game. He's exploring his ways, admiring the top ramp, deciding which way to go. He did not make the jump. He's now stranded on that branch. Let's get a closer look. Ah, we must hide. He's lava. He can jump us any moment if he's a false. Oh, there's a brother there. More experienced monkey. But it's no match for my tree climbing skills. Oh! I fell. Some troubles on the court. We must evade this monkey to search for our... This is our monkey. I have been tagged, but it is a great cost. Because we can now get a closer look at the new monkey. He's adjusting his face. He cannot talk because he does not know how. From the new monkey. He is greeting me. I shall leave. Not long. His true colors are red. What a stunning creature we have found in the wild today. Oh no! He has been tagged. He does not know what happened. He is confused. We are now holding hands. Oh, good slap.